To begin, we need to log in as an admin. This requires us to input our ID and password, then click the login button. Once that's done, we click on Create Exam Online Examination. This starts the process of filling in details about completed exams such as total exams and pending exams. If you want to add a new exam, click on Exam, then Add Exam and enter the exam name. Next, you must enter a unique exam code that hasn't been used before, which we'll need to check against our database. You'll need to input the time for tuition, the exam duration, the total number of questions, the marks for each question, the negative marking policy, and the exam time. Once the exam is created, we need to click Add to Area to set up section-wise exams. We then add to the area exam and pick the area exam code. Next, we name the area, set negative marking, and upload the question file. Clicking Add creates the second area. We'll notice that when a student enrolls, their status shows as Start Mode. To add a new student, we open the Student Panel and click on Registration. We enter the student's name, roll number, photo, and decide whether to use an audio password. To view the student list, we select the exam code. For mailing, we must create an administrator panel. We select the exam code, create an ID and password. Their initial status is absent. To change it to present, we click Send. After this, our student user can log in. You can access your exam by clicking the Login button. This allows you to pick Hindi and English for your introduction exam year, and the exam table appears. We have a moment now. Our exam begins on its own after 2.5 minutes. When the time runs out, our exam starts by itself. To proceed, we need to click the Next button. The exam format opens showing our details like name, ID, and start time. The questions also pop up. We then click the Next button, finish our question, and hit the Submit button. After submitting, the student logs out when they click OK. To view the details, we must log into the admin panel. There, we check the current status of the exam. In the state board, it's now in Start Mode. Our recent exam was submitted in Start Mode. So, after this time ends, our exam shows as complete. When the time is up, we refresh the page. Then, Completed begins to show, along with its result and view options, but the result is after some time, it will begin to show. We shall click on the result if we wish to view the exam results. After that, we will click on the process result if we choose to view the exam's outcome. Following that, we shall view each student's most recent results. Following this, we may examine every detail, including username, Unnat number, and total number of questions, by part. We will click the Download button if you like to get the question file or the questions for your phone. And in this, to see the topper student in Excel format, pass out student fail, then we will enter the pass out mark of tuition in it. After this, we will get a calculation in which the total number of questions is 12, pass out is pass, and to download the result, you can download it. In this, we will go to the profile, and this is our admin file, and click on it.